Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Okay guys, so in this video, I'm gonna share you a tutorial on how to remove fingerprint from Infinix Smart 8 easily. Okay guys, without any further ado, let's get started the tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on your phone. Okay, first thing first that you have to do is you can go to settings menu on your phone like this, and then you can scroll down a little bit and you can go to about password and security, and then you can go to fingerprint over there, and before that you have to verify your password. And when you're done, so you can click for this one, finger one over there. Yeah, so you can click delete and the fingerprint will be delayed, and click delete for it, and you're done. The fingerprint has deleted automatically from your phone. Okay guys, so here's the tutorial on how to remove fingerprint on Infinix Smart 8 easily. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get notified from it so you don't miss any other interesting video. And thank you so much for watching guys.